we're gonna be making Lower Seaside on Gacha Club. This is the be the one who I'm making. Or should I make that one? No, I'm making this one right here. And now let's get on Gacha Club. So I have to put one of my characters. I'm gonna make some YouTubers. Like probably Yami, then Azalea, then that other girl. I forgot her name. So I'm gonna be making 4 YouTubers. There we go. Now time to make Lower Seaside. So she don't have like a. We're gonna first do her hair. On the side. Okay, it's gonna be more like it'll be more like a bluish, a purplish, a pinkish. Okay, that's gonna be hard. Hope you got your allowed that much colors. It was more like this because the front hair was more like a. I think of that. Okay. Okay. These are really steep, so she does have long hair, so I guess I'll make it in the back. It was more like this purple, this bluish, and then this pinkish. Yep, perfect. Now to make it realistic, sorry guys. So like this kind.
Hey, while the girls are asleep, I'm going to the store and get a bag of ice, okay?
Okay.
The one across the street, not my the one I work at.
Okay.
Okay?
Sorry guys, that was my mom. See what it was kind of like now. Oh, I didn't have to change that. Whatever. Oh, no. Hold it. Good. Oh, I gotta change that. And change. Good. Look. Pitch. It's only 6 minutes. Bruh. Please save it, please. Thank you. Thank you. God. No, this is kind of hard to think. Oh yeah. By the way, this is called Gotcha Club. Y'all should get it. You should don't get it before I hold your streams. So better get it before I hold your stream. She had like a dress on, I think. I couldn't really tell. Just under her dress. It'd be better if she had a galaxy. No matter the Gotcha Club. And I'm just gonna make up the shoes. This is Lawrence Seaside, everybody. And I get to pick the accessories. Okay. I don't. Oh god. Nay, look. New hats. Should I have a dog? So I can make a dog ears. Here I'm making her have dog ears. Now I'm making her be a dog. But she does wear some of these sometimes, but not always. Oh my god. This is gonna be a long time. She can hold it. Oh my god. Sorry. She Galaxy. Here's Lawrence's side. You know what? I'm making her like a Galaxy dog. There's this, guys. Lawrence's side. I had to draw. at her tail. Look. I can now make here she is. Oh my! Oops, y'all. When I make yummy.